going to explain how to produce your own data in the ArcGIS. Let's say you have study area specific for your study area, but you don't have any data about the any data about your area. Then you want to find here and there your data. But today I will explain how you can develop, how you can produce your own data in the ArcGIS actually. uh, let's say that time you don't have building data, you have only road layer, uh, but you want to produce your own building layer. Therefore, what very first what you want to do is you want to take image from Google Earth. Then you want to your reference that image into your road network or whatever you have now. uh, if you don't know how to georeference your images, I have already done a video for that also. uh, okay, this one, there are three methods I have explained. There are three methods for georeference. You can follow this video. I will put video link in my description. You can go through that videos and you can georeference your image. I have already georeferenced that image actually. That's the road network. According to the road network, I have georeferenced that uh, image. Now we can produce our data, tick off that road network. Then what I want to do is I want to create a shape file in my folder, in my working folder. That's my folder. Right click, new, then shape file. That time I'm going to produce billing. Therefore give building. I want that building as a polygon, and give your coordinate. Actually it's depend on your coordinates, which coordinate of the image. Okay, then what you want to do is you want to right click, then edit, start editing. Okay, that's the editing toolbar. Actually, if you don't have that toolbar, you want to click on that empty area, empty space, then that's the editor tool. If you don't have, you want to tick on that editor tool, then it will appear. Okay, now I have on that editor tool. Then I want to go to that tool, click on create features tool. Then we want to select our shapefile. That shapefile, it will come into that box. Then click on that shapefile. Then you want to take that polygon. Then you can draw your buildings very easily. I will draw like that. Double click to finish your drawing. Okay, like that you can develop your own data for all area. uh, then if you finish that then if you have finished your total area, then you want to go to edit tool, then save edit. Then you can give a stop edit. Now that all of the buildings will save in your uh, shapefile. Then again we can create, let's say you want land use. Like that you want to develop another, produce another shapefile. For that land use, I will give again polygon. Okay, that time I will show, I will tell one of the trick for the digitization. Actually this also, right click and then very first you can add another field for name of the land use. That time we're going to develop land use layer. Therefore name, we can give name, then text. 20 characters. Okay, now you can edit that shape file like that. Okay, that one, take polygon. Let's say now we want to draw the build up area under build up category. In the previous shape file, how we do it, actually it's click on first point, then again click second point, like that we click place to place. Actually this is very hard method. How we can do is, uh, click on kind of particular place, then right click, then click on the streaming, then click on another place and drag it. Very easily and smooth way you can draw it, and then double click to finish your drawing. Like that you can draw it very easily. Click and click somewhere else where you want, then drag it. Like that you want to drag it, then it will draw very easily without clicking there. Okay, uh, that also we want to go to edit, then save edit, then stop edit. Okay, if you click on that shape file, we can see name, under name we want to edit it again. Go to again, if you want to edit our attributes, we want to put that shape file in the edit mode, then we can click on that field, then that feature will select. Then what we want to do is we can type here, enter, like that. Like that we can name the use of the feature. Okay, I think you learn how to digitize, how to produce your own data in your study area. Now I think you don't have any problem about the data. You can develop, you can produce your own data for. Actually these data are very accurate, more than using others data. They have some, if you take kind of land use data, they are developing this data for their purposes. Then when they categorize their land uses, it has aligned to the, it has oriented to their purpose. But if you want, it's depend on our purpose, it's depend on the person. uh, but if we develop, if we produce our own data, it will oriented to the our purpose. Therefore if we can develop, produce this data like that, it's more accurate. Okay, I think you learned something about ArcGIS. You got some knowledge about ArcGIS. If you think that video is good, and if you got some knowledge from my videos, you can subscribe my channel, and also you can hit like and click on the bell icon. Then you can access to my video when I am uploading to the upload when I upload to the YouTube. If you recommend that video, you can share that video to your friends also. If you want to learn more about the ArcGIS, you can go to my channel. I have completed many more lessons for ArcGIS. uh, Data downloading methods, many more few data downloading methods, satellite image downloading methods, and also keyboard shortcut keys. uh, different thing, I have done a lot of things. You can go to my channel, I will put video channel link in my description. You can go through the description, go through the link. Okay, I will stop my video. If you have any problems, clarifications, you can put a comment in my comment section, then I will give answer for that. Thank you.